Hey guys, so I'm working on a blanket. It's done in the round, and I just found out that I missed a stitch. You can see this is what it's supposed to look like. I'm alternating rows of double crochet shells with these rows of chains, and then I do a treble down to the previous treble. Well, you can see on this one I didn't do it on that row, so I'm missing that one. So I'm gonna go for a double and a treble, a double and a treble. Then I'm gonna go down to where I'm supposed to be and do double, treble. Now when I get here, I'm gonna go where I would have sealed off my treble from the row I was supposed to do, and then I can just finish. And tie it off. So now you can't tell that I missed it. So if you guys would like to see more of these, let me know. Bye. Really?
Yeah. You gonna tell the people hello?